past with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, water jets, drills, mills, and much more since 1954. Today I wanted to go over one really nice line that we carry. This is the Jet brand. It's been around for a very long time. They're known for really good quality equipment. We have 3 drills set up here. There's just a little bit of similarities, a little bit of differences between them. Let's go over it. So the first one you're going to have here is just a simple basic plug-in 110 power. You'll see up here to change your speeds, you'll have all your spindle speeds here, 150 to 4200, and you're going to change that by moving this back and forth. You'll see the motor moving in and out. That allows you to put the belt onto whichever cog you need on the sprocket, and that's going to go ahead and let you change speeds to whatever you need. Drill chuck, pretty simple, nice guard, nice heavy handles, really ergonomic style. Simple and easy to bring up and down. You can see it also has a miter gauge to turn side to side. So this would be your basic 110. If you wanted to go to something a little bit heavier duty, you can go on to this guy right here. And what this one's going to have is a powered down feed as well as a power inverter. So you'll have your 50 to 2000 speed on here. To change this speed, you just simply change this. So if you're going to be changing speeds a lot, you're going from grinding to polishing, this would probably be a good one to have. Save you a little bit of time of having to change the belts on that one, but you can see it's not going to really take too much time to go ahead and change that belt over. Now on this one, as I said, we do have power down feed. Get it right to where you need it to be, pull it out, and you have 3 different feed speeds right here. Once it gets to the bottom, it'll stop, come back up, and allow you to do it again. This is also 110. So as you can see, it goes right back up to the top. We'll change the feed speed right here on the side. Here's your 3 different speeds. Bring it down, put it into position, and you can see we have a powered down feed again. This is a 1.5 horsepower motor, single phase, running with this inverter. You got your guard here, really nice machine. And 0. Emergency stop on the front. Now the next step up from that is another single phase machine still, but what this one has is a 2 horsepower motor, and you can see everything's really bulky. It's a lot heavier duty. The table's a lot bigger, big T-slotted table, as well as a big heavy duty base. Very simple. This one's going to be a manual down feed. You just pull it down, drill what you need to drill. You can see right here your stop. You'll know exactly where you're at. So you can see with the few different drills we have here, you can go up to a mill if you needed to. You can see we have a lot of different mills, not only by Jet, but by other brands. We'd love to share our machinery with you, show you some of this quality equipment, and get you some great deals. Give us a call at 626-444-0311, or you can check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.